That is favorite place.
Yeah. What are you doing there? Yeah. You come here. You come here. You come. Yeah. Where are you going? Are you going to come back?
Is the door open?
Is the door open, baby?
Oh, you did there. They're not here. See? They're not here. They're not here.
Look, he goes to the mirror, you know.
Yeah.
Hey, baby. Yeah.
Huh?
Go to the mirror. Yes. Do you see the baby there? You see the baby? Yeah. There's a baby. Yeah, there's a baby. Yeah. So let him play. He goes around it, you know. Where is this little boy standing there?
He's finding him.
Yeah. What are you doing? Yeah. Dada. 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 Dada.
He's looking for his mommy and daddy.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go there.
Yeah.
Let me change you. Did you do
No, no, no. Let him do it.
Okay, he's doing it?
Yeah.
Okay.
He'll stay and let him walk around.
Alright.
Yeah.
That will make more will come. Didn't go this one.
Yeah.
Close the door. So you know that how to control him over this one. Good boy. Come on. Come on, yeah. Why do you dog at the doors? Hmm? Dada. Dada. Come here, baby. Come here. Come on. Get me. Follow the leader. Come on. Come on. Not there. That's a no-no. I get you there. I get you there. This is the walking area. I think he's using it.
Yeah.
That's the longest area he has.
Yeah.
He has to go around.
That's alright. Let him walk around. Yeah, let him walk around.
Because I see you. I see you. Oh, where are you going? Oh, wake up. Get up. Are we waking up by ourselves? Where are you? Yeah. I get you. Oh, good out. Good. I get you. That's right.
Yeah.
I get you. What was that from?
That was me bumping into the wall. I was going backwards.
I did you. Come on here. Ayan, come here. Come here. Hi, baby. I see you. What's that?
He likes the whistling. He likes the whistling. When Asif was making that noise with the bottle, he liked that.
He's looking at you. Ayan! Find me! Ayan! Where are you? I see you! I see you! Da! Da! Come here! Dada, Mama, where's your ball? Where's your big ball? Let's see.
What is he? Looking at me? Come on up. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. There's your ball. There comes your ball. Go get your ball. Get your ball. There it is. Give it to him.
There's your ball. Where's Jan's ball go? Go get the ball. Yeah, go get the ball. Go get the ball. Woo! There goes the ball. Woo! Go get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Oh, there you are. On it. Kick it. Yeah, learn how to do that. Oh, see? He's sneezing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on, find the ball. Get a walk. He still use the crawl, you know.
Sure.
Yeah.
Why not? Yeah, you got different skills now.
Yeah.
You can use both.
Oh, get the ball, get the ball. I know, let's see how he bounce it. Bounce the ball. Hey, bounce the ball. 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 Go, find the ball. Oh, good boy. Go there to Dada. He's going to that side. Okay, find your ball. Go get the ball. Oh. Dada. Dada. He goes to the church. I see you. He checks where I am.
Yeah. No, he knows that you're following him, you know.
Yes,
Yeah.
I know where you are. Oh. This is exercise time.
Yeah. No, this is good. This is good for baby. Yeah, he's building his muscles, you know.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Come on.
It has to be play that he's getting some. It's a play time for him. Come on, you can go. Come on, babe. Come on, babe. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. He's coming. Give it to him now. Let him have it.
Yeah, you have it. Of course, that's his ball. Come on.
There.
Yeah, he's trying to bounce it.
Yeah.
He's bouncing it.
Yeah.
Good. Bounce it.
Yeah, that's good.
Good. He finds this thing he once in a while and comes and licks this thing.
Yeah.